Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect FreshBooks with QuickBooks, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect FreshBooks with QuickBooks, begin by logging into your FreshBooks account. Locate the settings option in the bottom left corner of your dashboard. Click on integrations from the settings menu. Look for the QuickBooks option in the list of integrations. Select connect next to the QuickBooks icon. You will be redirected to the QuickBooks login page. Enter your QuickBooks credentials and click Sign In. Authorize FreshBooks to access your QuickBooks account by clicking Allow when prompted. Once authorized, you will be redirected back to FreshBooks. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the integration setup. You may be asked to map your FreshBooks categories to QuickBooks accounts. Take your time to ensure everything is aligned properly. Review your settings before finalizing the integration. Once satisfied, click Finish to complete the connection. To verify the integration, check that your FreshBooks data appears in QuickBooks. You may want to run a few test transactions to confirm everything is syncing correctly. If you encounter any issues, visit the Help section of FreshBooks or QuickBooks for troubleshooting tips. That's it. Your FreshBooks and QuickBooks accounts are now connected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.